So in this video, I'm gonna do 1 push-up for every dollar I make. And just so you guys know I'm not cheating, I will not edit the push-ups. Make sure you count with me just so you know I'm not cheating. Let's get it.
What's up, team? Running up. I got a $19 batch, so I'm doing 19 push-ups. I think I lost count. What's poppin', team? Run it up. I got a $19 batch, so I did 19 push-ups. This is the Instacart Fitness Challenge. However much money I make per batch is how many push-ups I'm gonna do. You wanna get small, you wanna get right, you wanna be fit, you wanna be cut, you wanna be shredded. I challenge y'all to do this. Try it for one day. Oh my goodness. This is probably one of the only times I don't wanna hit a high number with Instacart. Let's get it. Bang this out, real easy. All right, fam, so we just got back to the store and I swiped a $27 batch, 46 items, triple 5 miles. We still gonna do 27 push-ups, and I got something for the females. Check this out. All right, so for the females out there, y'all already know what to do. Y'all better do some squats. Check this out, 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? I got you, but I gotta do 27 real quick.
I hit the ground and it go off, yeah. Hit the ground and it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year.
Bang them out, let's get it. So it's 10:16 right now, and Costco drop was doo-doo, straight up. It was straight doo-doo, for me at least. I don't know who got a banger, maybe somebody got a banger. For me, it was doo-doo. But yeah, we just swiped a $45 batch, fam, and I mean, enough talking, let me just get to it. Real far.
Let's go.
45, baby, 45. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Tap VAR on the track.
Woo, 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 woo. Yo, team, run it up. Oh my gosh. I've never thought I'd be so mad to swipe a $61 batch. Oh, all right, let's get it. I know, right? I was just thinking about that. Like, I'm doing push-ups right here, and if somebody comes into the parking lot, they'll just run me over. So yeah, I see. He said it too. It's dangerous. I gotta be careful out here. Literally right here doing push-ups. If somebody would have came over, they would have like ran me over. 61. Let's get it. All right, that was an easy 61. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling those push-ups. My chest is a little tight right now, man. But look, I noticed that the batch went up a little bit. So at the end of the day, we're gonna take the total amount of money I've made with the total amount of push-ups. And if the push-ups don't match the money, then I have to do more push-ups to match the money. That's what we're gonna do. I'm not cheating myself. Let's get it. Team, running up. We just got a 31. But this time I'm gonna do the push-ups inside the store because I'm not trying to get ran over out here. Yo, I mean, look at this car that just pulled in right here. Look at that, house on wheels.
I can't take no loss, yeah. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah. I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time.
So much for an easy 31. Jeez. Woo. Woo. Items over miles though. It's only 4 miles.
Then I had things to do with my daughter, but I got 4 more batches and I still did the push-ups.
Illy, say hi.
My friend.
I can't take no loss, yeah. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah. I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out, step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got it, y'all, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no wins, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even.
Then I did the last batch of the night, which was a 43, but my camera died.
Yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah. Hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time.
I promise, guys, I finished all the push-ups.
Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my.
I'm done. I'm done.